Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will learn how to easily export your data for post-processing in Paraview. So let's say you are working on a model and you have some kind of a solution of some model that you have worked, and you want to share the results to your colleagues or someone who you are working with, and you are not actually interested to share the model but the result, so that maybe you can discuss or whatever. So one of the best way is to export the data as a Paraview file like the VTK or VTU file, and I will show you exactly how you can do that very easily. And for that you need COMSOL to export the data and Paraview to actually open the file. So now let's say I have this plot, a surface plot. What I will do, I'll just right click and click on plot data to export. Now when you click, you will get a window something like this, where at the first it will ask for the plot group that you want to export, what plot you want to export, and the output type. So from text, select unstructured VTK. Okay, and then here you have to choose the location where you want to save your file. So basically, for people who don't know, the VTK is like the old legacy format that was generally used, but V2U, you can think of it like the newer format, the XML based format, since COMSOL typically uses the unstructured finite element meshes. V2U is usually the better choice for exporting. So you can click on browse and choose your location. So I'll just name it to, let's say, car, and I'll just save it. And then I'll click on export. Once I click on export, you can see that the file is saved and the file size is also visible. Now I'll open the folder and then I will just open the file and actually show you. So now that we have saved this file, I'll just open this file. So I'll double click and you will see that something like this will open. So by the way, just to introduce you, Paraview is an open source software for scientific data visualization and post-processing. It is especially useful for viewing large simulation dataset in 2D or 3D or whatever. We can import simulation result from software such as COMSOL and many other simulation tool. I think generally all of the popular simulation tools actually support exporting into VTK or so, but maybe there may be some exceptions. But yes, so let's say you want to visualize, you want to post-process, you want to find average, distance, or all kind of analysis. You can do a lot here. As you can see, like there are tons of different features as well. So you'll get something like this. So on the left, generally you have whatever data set you have. So I'll just uncheck one. So this is what we actually exported, but you can see the color is not visible. So by default in Paraview, they generally show as solid color and this as surface. So I can choose color and you will see that the color will show up just like COMSOL, right? Now, what is this color? This color is basically the data that you are exporting from COMSOL. There are ways to export multiple datas as well, like the different component of velocity, pressure, and so on. And of course, you can choose different ways, like you can plot the points, and generally Paraview is optimized for large models. So even if you have a consumer grade laptop or something, you can do the analysis in Paraview quite well. I'm thinking to create a complete course in Paraview. So if you think that may be useful, please comment down below and definitely I'll plan and make a complete course how to use Paraview for the exported data from COMSOL. I think that will be useful. So if you want to change the color or styles, there are ways. You can save as presets, you can change the range, color profile, and everything else, as you can see. So I can choose rainbow, desaturated, and other things. You can play with the points and all kind of post-processing you can do. You can slice, you can take average, and so on. And of course, if you want to export the data or scene or export the geometry, all kind of things you can do using Paraview. And another important point is that we have a VTK package in Python. So let's say you want to automate some of your process using Python, you can just install pip install VTK, and you will have the Python package for it, and you can do and use. And of course you have macros, so you can create macros. These are like advanced feature that maybe someday I will talk about it. So that's it. I thought this video may be useful. If you are struggling to export data, sharing with someone, you can easily do that. And Paraview is free to download, so you can just search and download and use. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps. If you have any queries, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.